Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you use for purchases. Once signed in, open Payment Settings. This is where billing lives. Make sure you have the current card number's last 4 digits and the billing address ready. This speeds verification. If you haven't, enable two-step verification right now so changes are secure. You're doing this to avoid locked changes later and to let Google validate identity quickly, so the next step's complete without interruptions. Now go to Payments Methods and tap Add Payment Method or Edit on an existing entry. When you add, enter the card number, expiration, CVV, and precise billing address so bank verification matches. Once saved, Google may authorize a small temporary charge or microcharge. Check your bank statement and confirm the code if prompted. After confirmation, make the new card primary. If you plan to remove the old method, keep it until a purchase verifies the new one. To prevent decline, finish by reviewing subscriptions and recurring payments to ensure they now point to the new method. Adjust each service if needed. Next, update your billing profile, contact info, and any tax forms such as Form 1099 details if applicable. Make a small test purchase to confirm success, and then remove the old card if everything clears. If something goes wrong, check for address mismatches, card network blocks, or international restrictions. Contact your bank and Google support to.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.